Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dunby and I will be teaching you how to use and create many wonderful projects in Scratch Junior. For today's video, we will do a simple car game. To support, you can like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already watched the previous videos and tutorials, I recommend you watch them in order using the links in the description below. In the last video, we made a talent show game. Today we will make another project. Open up the Scratch Junior app and click on the Home button. Now click on the white rectangle with the blue plus sign. Let me show you what we will be making today. Today we will be making a car racing game. Let's see how it works. First, let's select our background. Click on this image over here and you'll see many backgrounds. Let's choose this empty farm background. Since this is a car game, we can get rid of this character. Just long click on this and press this red X. Now click on this white rectangle with the blue plus sign. Now we can add our car. If you scroll down, you should see this red car with a person driving it. Click on that red car and press this check mark to save. Move this red car over here. Now click on that white rectangle with the blue plus sign again and choose the blue car with another person driving it. Put this car on top of the red car. Wow, these cars are too big, but there is a way we can make them smaller. Click on the red car up here again and go to the purple blocks. Over here, you should see this button. This block makes your sprite shrink. Let's add that. But first, let's put in the green flag. And now let's put in the shrink block. Let's do the same for the blue car. Now let's press run and see if it works. Wow, the red car seems perfect, but the blue car is still a little too big. Click on this white oval over here and change the number from 2 to 4. Now press run again. Perfect. Can move it around just to make sure it's right. Now it looks like the cars are next to each other. Now we can start adding the code. We want these cars to get to the other side. How do we do that? Let's use the motion blocks. Since they have to get to this side, they must go right. So let's take this go right block and connect it to the shrink block. Let's see how far the blue car moves. That's not that far. We have to change the numbers. Let's try changing this 1 into a 10. Now press run and see if it works. That's still a little too close. Let's try 15. It's perfect. Let's do the same amount for the red car. Drag and drop the go right block. Change the 1 to a 15. Let's press the green flag and see what happens. Wow, both the cars make it to the end, but they do it at the same time. How can we make it as a race and make one of the cars go first? The answer is in the orange blocks. Click on this orange block and you will see this. That says set speed. So we can change the speed of the red car. There's 3 speeds: slow, regular, and fast. Let's try and make the red car win. Let's make the red car go fast. Let's see what happens. Wow, the red car is going a lot faster than the blue car. That means the red car wins. And that's just because of the speed button. Let's try to give the blue car a little speed too. If you don't add the speed block, it regularly just puts your driver at a regular speed. But let's change this speed to a slow speed and see what happens. Wow, the blue car is going really slow. If you would like to, you can change the speed of the blue car too, so that they both go fast. Since this is a race, let's add an audience so they can watch the race. Go down, you can see people. Choose 3 people that you would like to see this race. I will choose this one, and this one, and this one. But these characters are too big. Let's shrink them down too. Use the green flag, connect it with the shrink block, as we did before to the cars. Let's try 4. It's perfect. Let's move the characters back a little more so they don't get hit by the car. Let's change the rest of them just like we did to that one. Use the green flag and the shrink block. Now change the 2 to a 4. Just move them together. Now let's change this one too. Use the green flag and the shrink button. Let's move her with the rest of them. Now, since they should be a good audience, so let's hear them cheer. In the purple blocks, you should see this say block. Now you can get the characters to say stuff. It's already put on high, so let's see if our character says hi. Yeah, they do, but let's try something like, wow, this is fun. Let's spread the characters out a little more so they can be seen. Maybe just wow. Here. Now you can add message blocks to all of them. I will make this character say, you did it. And this one can say, yay. Now let's see the end result of our car race. Wow, that's so cool! So who won, the red car or the blue car? That's your choice. If your game is not working, please leave a comment below and we will get back to you right away. I hope you had fun with this project. I did. I would love to see your car designs. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Once again, if you would like to support, please like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye!